Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about reconciliation. Last class we discussed about mathematical induction. So first let's see the definition of reconciliation. So what is meant by reconciliation? So it is an equation so that express in terms of one or more previous terms. So suppose a is a general term means what is the previous terms? A n minus 1 and a n minus 2. So look at your problem. So first one is solve a n. You have to form the reconciliation for this equation. A n is equal to 3 into 2 power n. So solution of 1. So first replace n by n minus 1. So n minus 1 is the previous term of n. So therefore that equation becomes n minus 1 into 3 into 2 power n minus 1. You have to replace n by n minus 1. So this can be written as 3 into 2 power n into 2 power minus 1. Therefore a n minus 1 equal to 3 by 2 into 2 power n. So already we know 3 into 2 power n, this term is replaced by a power n. Therefore a n minus 1 is equal to a power n by 2. Therefore cross multiply 2 into a n minus 1 equal to a n. So this is the reconciliation for equation number 1. Next we are going to solve equation number 2. So solution of 2 is equal to an minus 7 into an minus 1 plus 10 into an minus 2 is equal to 0. First I am going to write the x to the equation. So an is replaced by m square and an minus 1 is replaced by m and last one is constant 10 equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. So what are the factors? So 5 2s are 10. So this is minus 7, so put minus, therefore my roots are m is equal to 2, 5. What are the nature of the roots? So roots are different, therefore my CF is given by a into m1 power n plus b into m2 power n. m1 and m2 are 2 and 5, therefore it is replaced by 2 and 5, a into 2 power n plus b into 5 power n. So this is our homogeneous equation. Therefore, your solution is an. So this is our main solution. Next, I am going to calculate a and b using your initial condition. Look at the initial condition. A0 is equal to 4 and a1 is equal to 17. Now, put n is equal to 0 in equation number 1. In 1, therefore, a0 is equal to a into 2 power 0 plus b into 5 power 0. So what is a0 value? That is given in the equation. So 4 is equal to anything power 0 is 1. Therefore a plus b. Take this equation number 2. Next put n is equal to 1 in equation number 1. Your equation becomes a1 is equal to a into 2 power 1 plus b into 5 power 1. So what is a1 value? That is 70. A into 2 plus b into 5. Take this is equation number 3. Now we are going to solve equation 2 and 3. So 2a plus 5b equal to 17. So this is your equation number 3. Now I am going to multiply equation 2 by 2. I have to multiply equation 2 by 2. You will get 2a plus 2b. Right side is 4. So 4 into 2, 8. Now we have subtracted this equation. This is 0. So 5 minus 2 plus 3b. So 17 minus 8, 9. Therefore 3b is equal to 9. b is equal to 9 by 3 is 3. So what is b value? So substitute b in equation number 2. You will get substitute b equal to 3 in 2. You will get 4 is equal to a plus b, therefore a plus 3. So what is your a value? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So a is nothing, a is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. What is your b value? 3. So a is equal to 1. Now I am going to replace a and b in equation number 1. So what is your reconciliation? A is equal to 1 into 2 power n plus what is your b value? 3 into 5 power n. Next one, take this homework. So you have to solve the reconciliation for, take this homework students. So solve the reconciliation for Fibonacci series. So take this homework. Thank you students.